What's good, guys? I'm back with another vlog. It's currently December 30th, Gabe Pelozzo's birthday. Happy birthday, Gabe. And it's 1 o'clock, and me and Tyrus are going to go on a hike. We're going to try to get some good footage of that and just bring you along. So stay for the ride. So I just got dressed. It's about 40 degrees out, so not too bad. Tyrus should be here any minute. We're going to go pick up Grant. Gonna bring the drone this time, so we might get some cool drone footage. But yeah, I'll catch you in the car to get Grant.
Alright, on the way. Just wanted to pick up Grant, but a little mishap, he couldn't make it, so that's a little unfortunate, but we're on the way. We'll be there soon.
We're here at the trails. Probably about -2 degrees out. What do you say? Trails are muddy. Good thing we got our boots on. Should be quite the adventure. Okay guys, so we got a challenge for Tyrus. It's pretty muddy here. He's got to get across by not stepping in the mud and jumping from rock to rock. Here we go. Show us what you got. Wow, okay. Impressive. Wow. Would you look at that? He did it. Hey look, it's Council Rock. Did you give us some counsel about hiking?
Hiking is a sport where you go up to a mountain and you hike to the top and you look out and see the beautiful land.
So we're almost at the peak, I'd say. Time for a break and a snack. But yeah, can't wait to set up the hammocks up there. Let's see a nice view. Well, we made it to our destination. Hey. Snakes I couldn't find. Don't want
out in the great outdoors. Got a little snack, and we're just chilling. Look at this view.
Warping past some time here. Just got down on the mountain. I think that we're gonna call out on a vlog. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next vid.